Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee Roden. If you have not already, hit that like, hit that comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, baby. We are going to get right into this very sexy vampire look today. If you want to see how we got to this final and complete sexy vampire look, let's get straight into it. I'm pulling on my Goody Ouchless Soft Touch Head Wrap to get my hair out of the way. To start this makeup look, I am using the Crystal Line Health and Beauty, the Retinol Moisturizing and Nourishing Cream. This is for the face, neck, and hands. I applied the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer as well. I'm filling in and shaping the brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills DIPBROW Pomade in Chocolate. I'm brushing the brows out with the ABH brush number 12. The other brow is complete, and I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Radiant Cream Concealer in Pecan to line the brows. Just so we don't have a halo around the brow, I'm using the Fit Me foundation in 356 to add a dot above the brows. I'm following the natural flow of the brows and blending the color into my skin, leaving no harsh lines. I'm also applying the concealer all over the lid and to the lower lash line. I've been preferring this over using eyeshadow primer. I have a paper towel with me to get out any old color out of the eyeshadow brushes before I use them. I'm using the I Seek eyeshadow palette from Amazon. For me, it's the quality and the quantity of colors. I'm mixing the ivory and the light coral color and applying it to the brow bone using a short eyeshadow brush from my brush set. All of the products used today will be listed in the description box below. With the eyeshadow brush, I'm taking the copper color and applying it above the crease and blending with an eyeshadow brush. With the same brush, I'm using both reds and applying it to the crease and blending. I'm applying the deepest purple to the entire crease with a medium angled shading brush. I'm applying black to the outer lid and bringing it up into the outer crease. I'm using the medium shading brush and blending the purple into the crease. I am applying red to the lid, but I decided after I wanted to keep the entire lid black for a smoky eye. I am bringing this color down to the lower lash line and the under eye circle area using the eyeshadow brush. With the angled shading brush, I'm focusing the purple on the lower lash line. I'm applying the black to this area with a fluff brush, and then I'm applying it all over the lid for that smoky eye. I'm applying a thin white line on the brow bone using the short eyeshadow brush just to give it some attention. I'm blending it out using the fluff brush. I'm using a shimmery white and highlighting the arch using a large eyeshadow brush. I am blending that color with a fluff brush. Now that both eyes are finished, I'm using the Fit Me foundation and spraying the Sephora Multitasker brush with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I'm applying the foundation all over the face and the neck as well. I'm avoiding direct contact with the colors that are around the under eye. I'm using the Airspun Coty Loose Face Powder in Naturally Neutral with the Plant Me Bio Blender Makeup Sponge to highlight under the eyes and the high points of the cheekbone without disturbing the colors. I'm also applying the powder to the center of the forehead and down the bridge of the nose, and the sides of the nose and right below the undersides of the cheekbone. I'm applying the knobby white eyeliner to the lower waterline. With the Milani Stay Put Matte Black Eyeliner, I'm starting by creating a fine line at the tear duct and bringing it across the lid to create an Arabian cat eye. I'm pulling up from the outer corner of the eye, creating a sharp wing. Now connecting the wing back down to the outer lid and filling it in. I'm dabbing the contour brush into the color Carob on the ABH Contour Cream Kit in Deep. I'm applying it to the underside of the cheekbones, along the hairline, and the jawline. With the e.l.f. Defining Eye Brush, I'm applying the cream contour along the sides of the eye socket, down the bridge of the nose, and around the tip. I'm using a powder brush to get rid of the airspun powder that we highlighted all of the areas with. I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation in Deep 72 with a fluff brush to smooth out the cream contour. I'm using an eyeliner brush to make veins, which I'm doing zigzag lines down the cheeks with the red and purple eyeshadow. You can also create a line with upside down V's at the end. I'm doing red, purple, red, purple. I'm sorry I was out of view doing this, but I hope you get the gist of things. I'm applying the EBS Fashion Lashes in number 99 and using the Kiss Super Strong Hold Lash Adhesive in black to create a thin line on the upper lid as close to the lash as possible. While I wait for it to get tacky, I'm applying the LA Colors Perfect Curve Volumizing Mascara to the upper lashes. Hey, and my wonderful fiance bought me a Polar Pop because I was getting so hot. I'm looking forward and dropping the lashes on top of my lashes and pulling it into place using a pointed tweezer. I'm pressing the lashes together with mine. Now that both eyelashes have been applied, I'm applying another coat of mascara to the upper and to the lower lashes. I'm applying the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Lip Therapy for moisture. I'm lining the lips with LA Girls lip liner in black. I'm folding the lip and following the natural shape. I'm opening my mouth to line the bottom lip. I'm pulling out a line at the mouth corners. I'm using the Kiss Ruby Kisses Matte Lip Lacquer in Ruby all over the lip, but avoiding the black liner. Smack the lips together. I'm cleaning up around the lips with some concealer. I'm spraying the Rimmel setting spray all over the face and neck and fanning to dry. Damn, the lips look divine and the eyes are looking so sharp. I'm excited with how the look came out. You can use vampire fangs as well as fake blood if you would like to add more to your look. I stopped here and I love how it turned out. Alright you guys, so we reached the end of this video. I hope that you love how we got to this very sexy vampire look today. If you loved this video, please hit that like button. Drop a comment down below what your favorite Halloween looks are and what you would have done to complete this look. Welcome all my new followers. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by today. Don't forget to check out the Halloween full set I did on my hands and also on my feet. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.